Hey there, fellow Fortnite fans. Looking to add an extra layer of security to your Fortnite account? Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and head to the official Fortnite website. Step 2. Log in to your Fortnite account. Step 3. Navigate to your account settings. Look for the option related to security or two-factor authentication. Step 4. Choose your preferred method for 2FA, whether it's through an authenticator app, email, or SMS. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up and verify your two-factor authentication. Tip for account security. Remember, with 2FA enabled, logging in will require an extra verification step, providing added security against unauthorized access to your Fortnite account. And there you have it, a simple way to turn on two-factor authentication for your Fortnite account, keeping your gaming experience safe and secure. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy gaming!